Now, next thing over here. Next thing comes our sales group. So people who work in the sales office, we are going to be calling them as salespersons. And those salespersons are going to be divided into groups. So we need to assign that groups to what? To our sales office over here. We need to assign it to our sales office. So here, just come back and work with this particular step. Assign sales group to sales office. So if you click on it, that's going to be the screen. Now, take the help of new interest and maintain it. So from SM01, I have one group which will be taking care of selling. I have one group which take care of sales, one group which take care of customer service. So I'm just trying to assign that one over here. L 01, second one CUS. The same way, I'm just trying to assign it to our second sales office as well. From SM02, I'm going to be selling the products. We have one team. For customer related issues, we have another team. But people who work in these teams are going to be different. They're not going to be the same. So we are trying to assign it. We are trying to assign sales group to sales office over here. Save this. So here, once again, the relation. So if you look for the relation between sales office and sales group, answer is going to be many to many. You can see almost all relations in SD module is going to be many to many. Sales org to distribution channel, sales org to division, sales area to sales office, sales group to sales office to sales group. Answer are all going to be many to many. Now, the next configuration. So if you just come back, now we need to maintain plant. We need to assign our plant for the combination of sales org and distribution channel over here. We need to assign plant for the combination of sales org and distribution channel. Now, this is going to be the integration of SD with MM, because MM team will be responsible for providing the plant information. So we need to assign it from which to which set of customers, from which plant we are going to be delivering the stock is what we are trying to maintain in this particular step. And this combination is what we try to call it as sales line. We try to call it as sales line. Now this is nothing but combination. So combination of sales organization plus distribution channel plus plant. We are going to be calling it as sales line. Like, don't get confused with sales area and sales line. Sales area, combination of sales org, distribution channel and division, whereas sales line, combination of sales org, distribution channel and plant. From which plant we are going to be showing it. Now see, so if you click on this one, same sales org, distribution channel and plant, that's how the screen is going to be looking. Where first field is the sales org, second field is the distribution channel, and third field is the plant. Now try to take the help of new entries over here. So YSAM is our sales org. If M5 customers are trying to place an order, this is the plan from which we are going to be issuing it. In the same way, if M6 customers are trying to place an order, this is the plan from which we are going to be issuing it. So if you have a second plant, you can assign that particular plant as well for this particular combination over here. Okay, so maintain it and try to save it as well. So plant has been assigned for the combination of sales org and distribution channel over here. Now once you're done with this, this is going to be the final step in LC module. Assign sales area to credit control area, LC and FI integration, because credit control area will be provided by our FI team. So they are going to be the one. We need to assign that credit control area. In case if you try to create a customer using any particular sales area, which credit control area is going to be responsible for fixing up the credit limits. So if you click on this one, assign sales area to credit control area over here, there's going to be the screen, and there is no option of new entries over here. So if there is no new entries, you need to click on position. You need to click on position and you need to select the entries. So I'm just trying to maintain sales stock. Using this particular sales stock, how many sales areas has been maintained, I can get that information. No need to maintain all the values. Using this particular information, I can find it. 4 sales areas. And now try to assign our credit control area for all the combinations. So here is our credit control area, SACC. So I'm trying to assign it. For all the 4 combination, there's a credit control area which will be picking up the credit limit. Assign it and save it. Done. Okay, so for one sales area, you can assign only one credit control area. For one sales area, you can assign only one, not more than one. Because you can see there is no new entries option, so you can't assign more than one. So maintain it and save it. So with this, all our configuration under sales and distribution also has been completed. And last and final area where we need to work out is going to be logistic execution. There's the final one. And if we get into this logistic execution, we need to assign our shipping point to plant. This is going to be the step. We need to assign shipping point to plant because shipping point is the one from where we are going to be dispatching the stock and receiving the stock. So we need to assign it to a plant. Because plant is the place where the stock will be there. You don't assign shipping point to any other organizational unit. So to assign this one, click on it. There's going to be the screen. Okay, plant and shipping points over here. Plant and shipping points. So for one plant, how many shipping points can be assigned? We can assign multiple shipping points. Okay, so first thing in this particular screen, try to select our plant. In case if you don't find the plant, not a problem, click on this icon, Control F. So click on this Control F. Now maintain our plant information. System will be showing us if any entry exists with that particular plant. And once you double click on it, it will be taking us to that particular location where our entry has been updated. And you can see by default there are a number of shipping points which has been assigned because we copied our plan from 1000. So what all assignments maintained for 1000 has been copied up over here. So if you want to delete, none of them is going to be getting deleted because we have some dependent entries maintained. You're not able to delete anything. Just leave it as it is. Later when we require, we are going to be deleting it. And if you want to assign some more shipping points, so place your cursor anywhere on the code or on the description, maintain it and click on assign option over here. So what all shipping points are there? All that shipping point list is going to be getting displayed up. Now try to select it. So I hope we have created one shipping point on the name of SMSP. So I'm trying to select that one over here. That's the one. So select it and click on copy. So this particular shipping point will be assigned to our plant. Okay, you can see this particular shipping point has been assigned to our plant. SMSP has been assigned to our plant. And once you maintain it, make sure you try to save this one. Done. So if you look for the link between shipping point and the plant, you can assign n number of shipping points. Many shipping points can be assigned to one plant or plant to shipping point. Plant to shipping point. So answer is going to be 1 to many. Answer is going to be one to many. Okay. So with this, our total enterprise structure configuration has been completed up. And once you're done with the entire structure, if you want to view it, so please take the help of a transaction code EC01. This is basically to view enterprise structure. Whatever configuration we have done, we can get that one. I'm just trying to show you this one as well. If you get into EC01, so this is our company code screen. So at the time of creation of company code, what we have done, we try to click on this particular icon to copy the data. Now, once you have created it, now we need to click on the structure icon if you want to view the assignments maintained. Org structure. So click on this org structure, navigation. You get an help message. Just try to ignore this one. And all company codes created in this particular server is going to be getting displayed. Try to select our company code. So same way, click on this Control F, select our company code, and we have created it on the name of SAIN. I'm just trying to select that one. Double click on it. It will be taking us to that particular location. And if you want to check out the organizational units assigned, get into details. Get into details over here. And these are all going to be the assignments made. For this company code, we have assigned a company. Company code, controlling area. Company code, credit control area. Company code, plant, sales org, purchase org, all these things. And now if you try to expand the sales org, you can see what all distribution channels assigned, division assigned will be getting displayed. If you expand this distribution channel, link, sales org, distribution channel, plant, sales area information. So what all assignments has been done, there's a place where you're going to be checking it out in the real time. Sometimes the documentation is going to be available. Sometimes it may not be available. In case if you want to know the details, what all assignments has been done. So this is a place where you are going to be coming and you are going to be checking all the information. Okay. So this is all about your enterprise structure configuration we need to know. Definition and assignments. So I try to share all these FAQs on this particular topic and update you this Excel. So please complete your enterprise structure. And now we need to work out with the next concept, which is going to be the master data. So that particular class, I'm going to be taking it up in tomorrow's session.